Good morning, my dear students. Welcome to the discussion on problems on kinetics. Under this, we are solving problems on work energy method. Now we are going to solve second problem under work energy method. The given problem is a body weighing 300 Newton is pushed up a 30 degrees plane by 400 Newton and force acting parallel to the plane. Initial velocity of the body is 1.5 meter per second and the coefficient of kinetic friction is 0.2. What velocity will the body have after moving 6 meters? Here, this is the body. The body is pushed by a force of 400 newtons and the inclination is 30 degrees to the horizontal and weight of the body is 300 newtons. Initial velocity is 1.5 meter per second and we have to find the final velocity and coefficient of friction is given in the problem, that is 0.2. Now we'll write the data. Weight of the body 300 newtons, force applied to move the block is 400 newtons, inclination with the horizontal is 30 degrees, initial velocity 1.5 meter per second, displacement of body S is equal to 6 meters, coefficient of kinetic friction mu is equal to 0.2. Let R is the normal reaction, F is the frictional force and V is the final velocity. In order to find this final velocity, the work energy equation is used to find the final velocity is sigma F into S is equal to half into W by G into V square minus U square. Consider the FBD of block as shown in figure. This is the block. Force applied to move the block, that is 400 newtons. Weight of the block acts vertically down. Normal reaction. And then resolve the weight force along the incline and normal to the incline. Because the body tends to move up, frictional force acts down along the incline. Now, forces normal to plane is equal to 0. That is, summation of forces normal to plane is equal to 0. Then R is equal to W cos 30. Then WL is 300. Cos 30 is 0.8666, which is equal to 259.81 Newton. From law of friction, frictional force F is equal to mu into R. Substitute mu value as well as R value. That is, frictional force F is equal to 51.96 newtons. Now we will apply work energy equation in order to find the final velocity value. The work energy equation is sigma F into S is equal to half mv square. Here, sigma F, that is summation of the forces, are 400 newtons, frictional force and W sin 30, 400 minus F minus W sin theta into S value is given in the problem, that is 6 meters, is equal to half into W by G into V square minus U square. Substitute F value, W value, theta value, S value, U value in this particular equation. Then V is equal to 8.942 meter per seconds. The velocity of the body after moving 6 meters is 8.942 meter per second. This is the solution for the given problem.